the connective tissue of the internet, which is APIs. So when we define connective tissue, and that being of the internet, let's start with APIs, which are known as short for short application programming interface. So instead of saying that big long word, we just shorten it to APIs, application programming interface. Application programming interface. Basically, it's how software systems talk to each other. You've used an API today and didn't even know it. Logged in with Google, Facebook, any of those? API. Ordered food, tracked a package, sent a text from a web app. That's an API at work. Everyone, what is API? Drop it in the chat, in the comments. I don't want to rush any of you. API is application programming interface. Why does it matter? Understanding APIs is like understanding electricity. You don't have to build it. You just need to know how to plug it in. Isn't that assuring? So you don't have to understand it all, deep dive, but get a general gist of it and explore it. It's like swimming. First you put your feet in, and maybe you start to wade in the water. Then maybe you start to float. Then maybe you start to kick your feet. And eventually, work, hard work and consistency, you swim. And if you're feeling like you're sinking, keep going at it safely, always one step at a time. Don't worry. I'm not asking you to, jump out of a helicopter into Crash Boat Beach, Puerto Rico, one of the toughest beaches out there. Let me tell you that from personal experience. But we're taking baby steps. First, wading in the water. We can still feel the rocks on our feet. Technology is the same way. Take your notes, sticky notes, screenshots. Take your time. Chew the information. So part two, right? That was API. What does it stand for? Application Programming Interface. Next up is Edge AI, which we've covered a little bit, right? We always hear about cloud computing. Cloud computing will stick with you. It stuck with me. Not as quickly as APIs, right? Application Programming Interfaces, but when you hear cloud computing, cloud, think of maybe the cloud in the sky. And then compute